Once upon a time, in the vast expanse of human history, our ancestors roamed the earth as hunter-gatherers. They foraged for wild plants, hunted animals, and lived in harmony with nature's rhythms. But then, around 10,000 years ago, a monumental shift occurred: the agricultural revolution. This epochal change brought about the domestication of plants and animals, transforming human societies forever. However, like a double-edged sword, it also introduced an unexpected consequence: an increase in tooth decay. How did this all happen? Let's take a bite-sized journey through this fascinating tale. In the days before agriculture, hunter-gatherers had a varied diet consisting of nuts, seeds, fruits, vegetables, and lean meats. Their food was fresh, fibrous, and often required a lot of chewing. Can you imagine gnawing on a piece of tough meat or crunching through raw roots? While it might not sound appetizing to us, this diet was surprisingly kind to their teeth. The constant chewing helped to clean their teeth, and the lack of refined sugars kept cavities at bay. Don't you think it's interesting that our ancestors, without modern dental care, often had healthier teeth than many of us today? Then came the agricultural revolution, a time when humans began to settle in one place and cultivate crops. This transition marked the birth of farming communities, allowing for the growth of civilizations. Suddenly, grains like wheat, barley, and rice became staple foods. These crops could be stored for long periods, providing a reliable food source. However, with this shift came a significant change in diet. People began consuming more carbohydrates, particularly from grains and, eventually, sugars. There's something called fermentable carbohydrates, which are carbs that break down into simple sugars and can be used by bacteria in our mouths. These changes in diet had a profound impact on dental health. Fermentable carbohydrates are easily broken down by oral bacteria, producing acids that can erode tooth enamel, leading to cavities. It's as if the bacteria were throwing a constant party in our mouths, fueled by the newfound abundance of sugars. The rise in tooth decay during this period is well documented in the fossil record. Archaeologists have found that skeletal remains from post-agricultural societies often show higher rates of dental caries, cavities compared to their hunter-gatherer predecessors. Isn't it curious how a shift in diet could so dramatically affect something as specific as dental health? As farming practices evolved, so did the cultivation of sweeteners. The domestication of sugarcane and the spread of honey further increased the intake of sugars. These sweet delights were a far cry from the naturally low-sugar diet of early humans. Picture it: a sudden surge in sugar consumption, without the benefit of modern dental hygiene. No toothbrushes, no toothpaste, just teeth exposed to sugars all day long. It's a recipe for dental disaster, don't you think? The agricultural revolution also brought about social and economic changes. With surplus food, communities grew larger, and trade flourished. People could specialize in various crafts, including pottery, weaving, and metalwork. However, this sedentary lifestyle also meant less physical activity compared to the nomadic hunter-gatherer lifestyle. This reduction in physical activity and changes in diet likely contributed to other health issues. But tooth decay was one of the most immediate and visible consequences. Despite these challenges, humans adapted in various ways. Some ancient cultures developed rudimentary dental tools and treatments. For example, ancient Egyptians practiced a form of dentistry that involved drilling cavities and filling them with herbs and other substances. It's fascinating to think about the ingenuity of our ancestors in addressing the problems brought on by their changing lifestyles, isn't it? Fast forward to today, and we see that The relationship between diet and dental health is still a hot topic. Modern diets, often high in refined sugars and processed foods, continue to challenge our dental health. However, we now have the benefits of advanced dental care, including fluoride treatments, dental sealants, and a better understanding of oral hygiene. Yet, the lessons from the agricultural revolution remind us that our dietary choices have profound impacts on our health. So, as we enjoy our modern conveniences and delicious foods, let's also remember the journey our ancestors took from the wild diet of hunter-gatherers to the cultivated fields of farmers. The story of the agricultural revolution and tooth decay is a testament to the complex interplay between culture, diet, and health. Isn't it amazing how something as simple as what we eat can shape our lives in such intricate ways? And there you have a tale that's not just about food or teeth, but about the very essence of human adaptation and resilience. So next time you brush your teeth, think about the incredible journey of agriculture and how it has shaped us, right down to our smiles.